as in the performance of Kotoko IMC since
almost just no a bit dissolving, but update all I say, you both season in here. I know to me initiative says so muteki, others so big. And I say, one man twice so I
and that's the thing, you ain't trying season end. When the season ends, then we'll do a proper re-evaluation of Kotoko. My personal thoughts on Kotoko's IMC, that's as it stands now, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is baby. But Gap, I think that more money has to be pumped into Kotoko. I don't know how much a Kotoko Mudi, but I feel like there should be more money that goes into the running of the club. With more money, Senebeya baby Sada Kwajachi almost started the redevelopment. A baby in them. Certain things. Some other things to say players, team, no junior team, near there. Then a very important say Kotoko for bit my SRE development. Some SRE developments now a bit push more. Because whichever board or IMC comes next season, bar, you have to give them tools to work. So you do want to say tools no and share after, then they begin to make excuses. Oh, okay, we need honor. Oh, we say Kotoko needs to give the team proper tools on Bayo Majuma. That's the most important. I think when they do it, they'll be fine. Black Stars in new semi-finals of the World Cup. No. It will take something very miraculous out of the blue. Just you pulling it out of the bag and saying, like I said, this World Cup, you bet me to semi-final. In fact, a group stage qualification quite problematic.
Current squad now, all they can say Ghana as a football nation, as now okay.
Current squad, whether we are a football nation or not, it depends on your current squad.
Okay.
Because that's the representation of Bonnie Akoboni. You can see a football nation said there, Muntari Moni is more time next. Ideally, we should have gone to the semi-final because the quality in 2010 it was enough to take us to the semi-final. And we're nearly there. But of course, one penalty, one decision making, any Suarez red card, any Suarez handball, we could not get there. That is okay. But as it stands now, I think that we are just in the second stage of rebuilding the Black Stars.
Okay.
It's say your boy AFCON one Kobe. Next year World Cup and you say that your target is semi-final. Then for me it's a little bit far-fetched. A good target say you must show but some targets also need to be realistic. Realistically, if you tell me say Ghana quarter final of the World Cup, round of 16 of the World Cup, and that is good, it's a good start for me. But somebody will even tell you say, yeah, free league, the group phase because we are the lowest ranked team. Oshe, the Panamerians, the English, and also the Croats. This team,
group now, them no.
Exactly. So Oshe, even the English and the Croats, and a team that can boast of World Cup semi-final and the final. I mean, if you look at the English, they've been to the semi-final of the World Cup in the last years. The Croats, the same thing. In fact, the Croats were in the final with France the last time Kylian Luton and Mbappe World Cup in Russia. So that is a team that is very experienced, and that's the spine of that team that's who I want them. If you look at Toby, say Luka Modric, Marcelo Brozovic, all of these guys are still in the team. Ante Rebic, coached by the same guy. The same guy. Zlatko Dalic, the same guy that's in the team. They are all there. The likes of Obitise, Mario Mandzukic more out of the conversation. But then the spine is still there. With some new players that can come in to get a job done. What am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that if you look at our World Cup squad, the proper experience that they've had the last World Cup you call in Qatar. That's where there was Thomas Tepate, there was Mohamed Kudus, there was Inaki Williams, there was the trunk of these boys, and they are coming with that experience. And Nunti Knight is confident, and especially also because of the expansion of the World Cup in T, a very, very likely and possible see a bit to qualify out of the group, even though it is difficult.
Okay.
As the best placed third place team, and that is why your first game is very important. As some when can be people tell me that fee. Panama for one person almost sharing on the qualify. And I'm saying that of course anything in your ball will be a person sending uncle.
Yeah.
But the confidence in that first game will be very important to propel us to the subsequent games. Against Croatia, against the English. It's going to be very important for us. I don't think CSE put the cart before the horse, the cart before the horse. We need to let ourselves understand that the horse comes first.
Okay. At
this point in time, there is no need to be throwing about a Koje. You see, Yansheni are getting close to the World Cup. If we don't get measured people in their conversation, raising unnecessary expectations. Expectations don't need to heighten. Even for the players, unnecessary pressure will get to them. Yeah, relaxing. Let us go to the preparative phase. That is where we are now. Black Stars technical team echo the various league centers. Players almost from friendly matches. Players the various scout report of the various teams.
Which they are doing very well this time.
The analysis of the players. That is the most important thing, and proper profiling of the players. You could do one. There are even some of your players, senior players, on prepare. Mohamed Kudus has not been playing for Tottenham Hotspur for a while now. Thomas Partey, Marcelino Yusinisa, for whatever reason, Mohamed Salisu Epra. So all of these things are certain question marks that come to our play.
Okay.
When you start to say about your semi-final of the World Cup, the Moroccan national team that went to the semi-final of the World Cup had a crop of team that played together for a while. And that's why I mean, Makani several times there. The easiest thing will be able to say, and most of your colleagues in Central for air and say, oh, Monsaki Tuado, oh, Tuado Nyade. But that's the easiest thing to do. For every country, walk up for when you success, there is always a timer. A break amount.
Consistency,
It doesn't just happen like that. So then what happened to MS5? Again, the conversation of MS5 is different. There was a coach that was failing. The whole nation wanted to win. It was a home nation. Most of the fans in Ivory Coast played against for their team, and the core of our team had been there for a long time. When he started playing, Serge, not Serge Aurier, this young limited player, Fifi, for their team, the likes of Fofana, Frankie, and Kessié in the middle of the pack. People ask questions again because the earlier French coach, what's his name, is it Gazette or whatever? No, almost our players now. So all of these things get to change. Walid has been there for a while now. If you go to the Senegalese team, before Senegal, Ali Cisse was there for a while. If you even go to even the Egyptian national team, their current coach is a former player of the club, of the team, or a part of the coaching staff for a while. Everybody bid their time and their patience. You can't just wake up and then cast or channel in front of the World Cup. For me, it takes time, it takes preparation, and that's where we are now. So about quality on the field of player, we have it.
Okay.
I've said it several times that if no team on the continent is stuck with proper attacking talents than we are. Not even the Nigerians. Not even.
But how to play as a team now?
That is where the problem is. Because almost every time we are chopping and changing. Almost every time you need a consistent crop. Since Otuado came, and is that pool of players of Fromu Frimo. The base 21-18 or Honum. Then we add and change based on your team. So when you look at even pure attacking talent, Kalamadin Suleimana, yes, we know his issues, but that's a good talent. When you look at Osman Ibrahim, that's a good talent. When you look at Abdul Fattah Isaku, that's a top talent. When you look at Joseph Pencil, that's a top talent. Osman Bukari, that is there. Antoine Semenyo, Nak Williams. Forget about being the boys on some naturalized mind. Hudson Odoi, Edin Ketia. Look at even Jordan Ayew, the experienced ones. Attacking talent, there are only a few nations in Africa that are better than us in terms of depth. What we need is for us to find, you see, for me, World Cup near corner. One of the biggest tactical issues that Otuado has to solve, and I say, who is he building his team around? Because there were a lot of big boys.
Sound company bedino subsequent days away enemy and Josh ma gram kakra fama me na me say manya tilo a nanka yenko season so kakra na afi ye hwese betumi afa course a gram kakra fama me.
Gabi, Black Stars from Komoi, I say I think we need to put it in proper perspective, no be intimidation because I've realized that a lot of sentiments are being whipped. Amount for a false hope. Be what team. I was say be a team who said we are not going to the World Cup as a team that has already gotten everything worked out. There be Mimi Nyanka time or mobile AFCON that was between December and January. No, Nanka friendly matches are Germany, Austria, and Mexico. Ekobui Nanka born around that time because that time na Yanko AFCON be. But there was no international window. Players were still playing in their teams. That kind of, Aqueniano. But now that we have not even played against all of these teams that we are going to play in the friendlies, we still don't know how the team is going to shape up for the World Cup. Ye nim send your team no on the ball. Already, don't forget, after no on the technical team. Fufro, I can't new one, an old one now a war than. As I say, Black Queens for coach. Any other selected people, can't technical team, no. How are they going to work together? So we haven't found all of these things. The Ghana for Eka was a boss semi-final, was a kudu semi-final. It is expectation that really needs to be measured.
Mamenko stadium rameba na yatwa so. Hello, Chilo. Sogobai.
Dabi Turam.
Kofi empomi ade.
Dabi na no na so.
Boko pa na season heat ni ti say.
Aya ti gabi ama e te fun asofo ina kwa ba ko me ti baba ndara sponsor. Sponsor e so ni ni enra e de fia fia. Eno tuno ene e de 2. Na gabi heat ni enya de kwa e san and I said, I don't feel like any of the room, and I had the 2 of our body supposed to the one. Minister said, President, elimination, I don't want to see how much the car. I am fine. Now, I don't know. Final games, another final event, Marco, I have found everything. Boys and girls, and they have a final. Now, 5,000 meters, boys, final. Now 200 meters, boys and girls, you go final. Now for 3,000 meters, girls, final, and then down now 4 by 200 meters, boys and girls, final, no, every day. Now the girls come. So nobody can try to hit, I was really ultimate school for another, but something of 30. Also, in the morning, now, so, LTV, everyone, the name of Adabaqua, a member organization about to a security aside, agent said. Naka first who is my take one about the room or study one here. Over time could only be the Jonoma. All my supporting your SRC. Number and for the foreign to share for our crime. That we are students now to see what they are. Who know contact is my take one of the Uber Jonum. That is something that I brought. Some of them violent part. They do in some form and to show a simple Gano. Now to another brand. And it's good to be them out of Banya to the man. So, it was to the they have us know. And man of animal here, I want to change the amount of economy. And my another box now, I don't know about the now. Remember, on short term, we see part here, between Amas, Brampe, and of what our member of them. Sancho and man of them, I have between St. Louis, and of the Sanqua. I wouldn't know, I like you. Another box now, I was so much for Personal, and to me, I still now so a man of that.
Well, yabeda say ebreni ntino we de etina na yasan atwa so Insure FM so ni Spazona no and yeguso a yedi ho enkomo quick one ma me nkomna na fe Josia emfan we Black Stars na yemfa e course no kakra
amuzu garlic bitters ma moja di afru sani yi blood pressure any cholesterol ko form